Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Minecraft version and any mod compatibility, because mismatches break things. Once done, make a backup of your world and resource packs to a different folder so you can restore if needed. Next, open the ZIP with 7-zip or your file manager. Extract only the necessary folders, such as assets, data, or resource pack files. Make sure to keep folder structure intact. Minecraft expects specific paths, so start with the right files now. You should edit files in a temporary folder, not inside the original ZIP. This avoids accidental corruption and speeds up testing. Once extracted, change textures, sounds, or JSON configs carefully and preserve the assets / data / and pack. McMeta layout, Minecraft reads exact paths. After edits, recompress the same folder structure into a ZIP, using the standard ZIP compression so Minecraft recognizes it. Make sure file names and case sensitivity. You now move the new ZIP into Minecraft's resource packs or mods folder, depending on content. Launch Minecraft and enable the pack or mod, then inspect the world to verify textures and behavior. If something looks wrong, check the game's log for missing files or JSON errors and make sure the ZIP contains pack. McMeta at the root if it's a resource pack. Troubleshooting tip. If it fails, restore your backup, reopen the ZIP, and verify file names and folder structure. Case sensitivity often causes problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.